In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze columns in Notion. If you work with wide databases in Notion, freezing columns can make your table much easier to read and manage. It helps keep important information visible while you scroll sideways through the rest of your data. This is especially useful when you want to keep key columns, like titles or categories, in place so you always have context for the row you are looking at. To get started, open your database in Table View. This is important because the column freezing option is available when your database is displayed as a table. If you are currently viewing the same database in another layout, such as a board, list, or calendar, switch it over to Table View first so you can access the right settings. Once your table is open, move your cursor over the header of the column you want to lock in place. When you hover over that column name, click on it to open the column menu. This menu gives you options related to that specific column, and the setting you need is located there. From that menu, choose Freeze Up to Column. When you click this option, Notion will freeze every column starting from the far left side of the table up to the column you selected. That means you are not freezing only one individual column by itself unless it's the first column. Instead, you are locking a section of columns from the left through that point. After that, you'll immediately see the result in your table. All of those columns will stay fixed in place while you scroll horizontally, making it much easier to compare information across many fields. You should also notice a subtle vertical divider appear in the table. This line helps show where the frozen columns end and where the scrollable columns begin. This feature is a simple way to improve visibility and navigation in larger databases. If your table contains a lot of properties and you regularly scroll from side to side, freezing columns can save time and reduce confusion. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in day-to-day use. That's all you need to do to freeze columns in Notion. Once you know where the setting is, it only takes a few seconds to apply and can make your workspace feel much more organized.